Literally, look, it's literally 12 o'clock. Man, on a Sunday, I'm tired. Man, I need to wake up at 6 so that I can get ready for work because we're installing a tombstone um, tomorrow, right? So I got work, and I don't know, man, but for some reason, like, I'd rather not sleep rather than me like saying, fuck it, I'm gonna sleep at 7, wake up at 10, and then trade. I'm literally like, you know what, fuck it. I need to just fucking set up the whole night until the market's open. So then at least I know that the robots are active, right? That's a good thing. So that at least when I'm at work, the robots are trading for me. But number two is I've noticed behavioral trends. Like during the weekend, there'll be like a news event, something to do with the Iranian war, so it'll affect oil, stocks, Nasdaq, currencies, etc. So like I've been watching it for the past like month, right? So the whole of April I watched it and I'm like, okay, cool. In May, let's give it a try. You know? And then I started seeing with that okay, whenever the market opens, on a prop firm account, you're not allowed the first 5 minutes to trade. But after that 5 minutes, the general trend is either in one direction, it's up or down. So I want to see that, right? And I want to document that, and I want to see if I can add that to my trading strategy, so that now I have two ways where I can make money. So I have my robots when I'm at work, and then this new strategy now whenever the market opens. So yeah, let's see how that goes. It's your boy, he that trades. It's the 25th of May 2026. It's the fourth week and final week of May, and then we're done with the month of May. That'll be 5 months down and then 7 more months to go. So, just to continue from the video earlier in the morning, I didn't place a trade because everything just went up. Like Euro USD, Great British Pound USD, Gold, Bitcoin, Nasdaq, the ones that I trade, all went up. Yeah, well, so they all went up. There's a gap on Nasdaq. There's a gap on Euro USD. So on Euro USD, I'm looking to enter a buy trade on Euro USD. Just a short buy trade, but overall, I'm looking for sells. So I'm waiting for that because there's a gap on Euro USD, and then I'm waiting for the market to fill that gap for me to be able to buy and then reach. I think it's 1.16 or 1.17, and then from there I can start looking for sales. You know what I mean? Because the robots are going to trade on my behalf on Bitcoin. There's already a pending order that the robot has put on Bitcoin. Nasdaq, the robot is going to trade for me on my behalf, as well as gold. So the only two ones that I'm trading manually is Great British Pound USD, Euro USD. So there it is right there. So let me just show what I'm talking about. All right, so this is Great British Pound USD, right, on a 1 hour time frame. This is what happened, right? Let me just go into the computer so I can show you guys more in detail because on the thing it doesn't look. Let me just shift it like this so that you guys can see. All right, cool. So governor. So we have this massive supply zone right here, and then we have a demand zone that's forming there. So this is what I was talking about. See, this was market close Friday, and then this is the gap that I'm talking about, bro. Yeah, well, this is the gap that I'm talking about. Let me just do this quickly. Oh, this is the gap that I'm talking about. Yeah, well, this happened literally at 1 o'clock in the morning. Stuff. So we just went up very violently. We broke through resistance. So I'm waiting for that there, or perhaps maybe there, just to close the market properly. Then we can go out. So and then target these supply zones over here. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm bullish on Great British Pound USD. Euro USD. Euro USD, this is the gap that I'm talking about on Euro USD. So this is the gap that I'm looking at for the market to fill. So I want the market to come down. Plus, there's a massive support, and we've broken structure. So we have a BOS, right? We have a BOS breakup structure. We need a retest, valid support with a red and green candle, but on the support as well as we at the bottom of the trend line, which is the daily trend line. Our daily trend line. So we've gone back into the daily trend line. But like I said, overall, I'm still bearish, right? So I would like to for the market to hit there, and then start going up, coming there. But overall, I'm looking for sells. But I want to catch this buy trade to those sells. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for on Euro USD. So let me jump down to a 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. This is what we're looking at. We got a weak supply area, but we got a massive demand area. So I'm hoping that we could invalidate these two demand areas and formulate our own support for that retest of the breaking since we broke the yellow line, and then look for those buys. So that's what I'm looking for Great British Pound USD. And then on gold, oh, the robot has already placed a pending order. So 0.03 lot size, willing to risk $16. And then once the robot is in profit, it will, close the trade for me on my behalf. So that's a 1 hour time frame. And then on Nasdaq. Nasdaq. This is a 4 hour time frame. Still bullish on Nasdaq, like real talk. Yeah, well, real talk bullish. But I'm waiting for the robot to place a trade. So it looks like the robot hasn't found a setup yet. And then on Bitcoin, this is the trade that I think the robot will take, because there's a pending order that the robot placed for Bitcoin, willing to lose $24 in order to make $56. Yeah, well, so there's a massive supply area there that we just now reached, right? So we haven't had a green candle. So I'm thinking that that violent push up to the top side, once we break that resistance, will give us that green candle for us to be able to say, all right, cool, we are now, buying. You get me? So just buying just to get up there and then continue on with ourselves. But overall on Bitcoin, we're still bullish, very much bullish. Very much, because we're bullish in this trend line, we're bullish in this trend line, and we're bullish in the overall trend line, this trend line over here, which is the weekly trend line, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the weekly trend line. So we still bullish on Bitcoin. Yeah, we're just bullish on Bitcoin. But the one that I'm looking for on Real Talk is Euro USD. So yeah, that's basically it for me. Other than that, work wise, I've got a tombstone that I gotta go install today at Frikekeskop, some other farm. So there's a client there that wants us to install their tombstone. It came yesterday. They got delivered yesterday. So then we're gonna go install it today, and then after that, I'll be at work. So yeah, man, that's basically it. If I can't trade the Euro USD trade, and I miss it, then what I'm going to do is just allow the robots to trade the other currencies, the other instruments that I have them on, like gold and Bitcoin and Nasdaq. So yeah, and I'm still in drawdown, bro. Still of this, still in drawdown. Yeah, well. So let me just go to history and show you. So here we go. Initial deposit 10,000. Haven't made a withdrawal yet. I'm down $125, which gives my account balance to 9,874. So yeah, man, it's it's tough, because I can't wait for the days where I can actually trade, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be able to trade the way that I'm working. You know what I mean? Like I want to trade full time and then work part time. You know, only want to work because I want to be able to get paid to get another eval for another funded account or get another instant fund or just fund my personal account. You know what I'm saying? But overall trading, I want trading to be the big chunk of where my money comes from. So yeah, man. But anyway, let me just finish eating and finish up my tea, and then see y'all in the next video. Peace. Yo, it's your boy, he that trades. It's currently 20 to 5, and yo, I just came back from work, and just like, bruh, it looks like the bot, um, got what you call it, the trade for Nasdaq on the robot it got activated, but it went the wrong way. So here it is. Yeah, went the wrong way. So I lost $30 on that trade. And when I look at it, I'm like, why the hell did the robot even place a what you call it, a buy trade, when clearly you could see Uguti that, you know. But anyway, it is what it is. So on my side, I ended up placing a sell, right? Ended up placing a sell, just so I can make some of this money back. Yeah, well, so right now my account balance is sitting at 9,845. I lost $29, so I'm trying to at least recuperate that $29, and then I could then bring my stop loss, you know, into profit. So as it currently stands right now, if I can get back to 8,870 something, then yeah, I'll be able to, like, um, you know, be calm about it. Yeah, well, so yeah, that's it. So my trade is literally going. Oh, my face is so oily. Shit. My trade is literally going in the up. Like, look at that. And it's just going. So the robot placed this buy. It got taken out. I placed the sell. I'm about to get taken out. My fucking balance is now 9,828. If I get tapped out here, that would be $60 loss for the day. That would be a $60 loss for the day. And when I look at it, all the other instruments, right? BTC, we haven't tapped us in yet on this buy pending order. And then on gold, same thing. Haven't gotten tapped out on that buy trade yet. But Nasdaq, bro, what the fuck, bro? And Nasdaq is playing games, dog. And look, there's a upside down hammer, bro. Bearish upside down hammer. Well, so yeah, I don't know. And plus, there's a huge ass gap. This is where my TP is, bro. But anyway, I'm gonna just let the trade run. Yeah, but it hasn't stopped me out yet. But I'm gonna just let the trade run because, yo, yeah, I'm getting fucked hard in the ass with no Vaseline. Yo, okay, fuck. Anyway, it's your boy, he that trades. It's the excuse me, 26th, Tuesday, May 2026. Excuse the shades, bro. Yeah. But yeah, so I woke up yesterday, damage control. I managed to get the account from what it was, excuse me, to 9,851. Then I woke up and the robot that I had on gold took a loss, $18 loss. So now I'm back at 9,830 something. And now Nasdaq has literally just placed the trade. The robot that I put it on Nasdaq placed the buy trade, and I'm currently floating negative $10. So before the day can even fucking start, I'm already down. Nah. I'm already down fucking $30. Before the fucking day can even start, I'm already down $30. This is trading, guys. This is trading. I'm trying to claw my way back out of fucking drawdown. I was almost at 9,900. Now it's almost like I'm going back, right? I'm literally $30 away from 9,799. Yeah, well, so, bro, I won't lie to you, and I'm getting sick. The weather is weathering. It's winter. It's cold. So yeah, I'm about to go to work. We're not installing a tombstone today. It's just normal work. So I'm gonna go to work, and then I'm taking my laptop with me. So my hotspot and my laptop there. But there's certain things that I wanna back test. Yeah, well, so today I'm gonna let the Nasdaq trade go. Let the robot handle it. I'm gonna manage it. If I'm in profit, I bring the stop loss into profit. I don't give a fuck even if it's $1 or whatever. I don't care. Yeah, and then after that, just back test, back test, back test, and just add some more currency pairs for me to be able to trade it manually. Yeah, well, because then I have three robots trading on three different instruments, but I'm only trading two instruments manually. Yeah, well, so I want to be able to be like, okay, if a robot took a loss there, let me try and make it back by manually trading on this currency pair. Yeah, well, but also there's something that I'm also realizing about myself trading manually is that I don't let my setups play out. Like I'll see a setup saying, okay, this is a bias trade. All the confluences are matching up. You have a weight, confirmation, blah blah blah. Do all the things, and then it will go in my direction. And then the moment it's in profit, I'll bring my stop loss into profit, and then the market takes me out, and then continues to go down, bro. So, yeah. Either way, fuck it. I'm gonna go to work, and then I'm gonna monitor the trades via the recording of the screen so that I can show you guys. All right, peace. Yo, hope you're good. Hope you're good. So, like I was saying, bro, Oguti, like, bro, I don't know what the fuck is happening, bro, but of this, now this is just today. So, as you can see, secure the bag version 6.3. The robot placed the trade there, bro, but see. I'm walking, by the way, so that's why I'm kind of like out of breath and shit. But yeah, man, like I've been letting the robots trade on my behalf, but I ain't getting it, dog. Because even right now, I'm in drawdown, hella crazy ass drawdown, bro. And when I look at it manually, if I would have placed this trade manually, bro, I would have made bank. Yeah, well, I would have made bank because this is where the robot placed the trade. Yeah, well, this is where the robot placed the trade, but when I look at it manually, this was an obvious sell because it broke that structure. So now, if we come for the retest and we go back up, yo, dog, I don't know if I should cut my losses right now or a little bit later because at the end of the day, Joe, like, I'm not keen on keeping this trade because if I do, it's only $35, but $35 plus $18, let's just say $50. My equity, bro, is going to be literally at 9,780 something. That's going to be my equity right now. So, yo, dude, stop, bro. Just stop this, bro. And just like that, I got stopped out. Dog, it's some fucking bullshit, dog. Absolute fucking ass, dog. I think I'm going back to trading things manually, bro, because I can't keep taking L's, dog. That time, it's not even when I look at it from a manual perspective, like, I'm the one who's busy trading this thing manually. So, yeah, man. It is what it is, so you ain't even gotta stress about it. So, as you saw, I literally just got stopped the fuck out from the Nasdaq buy trade. Yeah, well, so because of how delusional I am, I'm like, okay, so if two buy trades that the robot placed ended up in losses, then that means what the fuck? Why is my lips so shiny? Anyway, that means Uguti we selling. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? Because if you're placing two buy trades and you get stopped out immediately, not even like yeah, boy, it just taps you in, you basically liquidity, then we selling, we're starting to sell. You get what I'm saying? But then again, it could just be the entry point. It could just be the fact that the robot isn't as good as I thought it is. Yabo isn't Jalo, bro. But fucking hell, bro. I'm literally now three. I'm literally now $210 nah, in drawdown. $210 in drawdown from my initial um from my initial starting point, bro. So I think I'm just gonna put the Nasdaq robot off, yeah, bro, and then just go back to trading manually, bro. Because oh fuck no, bro, I can't be nah, dog. $50, 50 fucking dollars, bro. I know it's minuscule compared to what is shown on the Instagrams and the TikToks and on social media, but talking from someone who's still doing a 9 to 5, you know what I mean? Trying to make that this shit is the reason why I want to be able to make a living off of shit. You know what I'm saying? I want this shit to work. So if this shit isn't working, dog, then I have no choice but to go back to trading manually. Yeah, bro. I have no choice but to go back trading manually, bro. And that time, my monthly P&L for May was looking so fucking good, bro. Let me actually even show you guys. Let me just pause the video and show you guys. Yeah, so shit, dog. Look at that, dog. Look at that, bruh. Look, dog. Ay, 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 ay. Nah, 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 nah. Yeah, well, it's pissing me the fuck off, bro. And look, dog. When I showcase to you, look, nah. Let me show you, bro. Let me show you. Let me show you. My win rate is crazy, but PNL wise, bro, I'm sucky. Look at that, $134, bro, $140. It hasn't registered. It hasn't registered. Yeah, well, because there's that loss that I've taken over here. Yeah, well, so, dude, when I show you, look, bro, wow, $202 fucking dollars. This is my current balance right now. I'm -2%. -2%. For the day, I still have $241. Overall, I have $360, but I haven't gotten a withdrawal, bro. Like, imagine, bro. This is an instant account, bro, and I haven't even gotten a payout, bro, because I'm in drawdown, bro. I'm in fucking drawdown. So